back to Heavenly Grace Monica, your go-to space for online money making updates. Yes, money making tips. On this channel, we teach you how to back those money online. You don't need to be wasting your data. Use that data and earn more money. Yeah. So on today's episode, we're going to be telling you, we're going to be teaching you how to open a UK TikTok account from Nigeria. Yes, here in Nigeria. You don't need a VPN to open a TikTok account. No stress, just a new email and one simple trick I'm going to show you in this video. Yes, so before you start downloading all those random VPNs or stressing over settings, listen, open your ears. There is actually a way to open a full UK TikTok account right from here, right from Nigeria. Yes, without using any VPN. Yes, I have done it myself. I have an account. I have a UK account, a UK TikTok account that I'm currently using, and I'm here to teach you how to do yours. So I will walk you through the exact steps so you can do it to yourself. It's very simple, clean, and it's working. Yes. So now, why would you even want a TikTok account? The reach is better. The ads pay more, and it opens you to international brands and audiences. Yes. So if you're serious about growing or monetizing, this is a smart move. Yeah. I know some people are taking money like from 10K upward. They will tell you they want to open a UK TikTok account for you. They will tell you we're going to be opening it from UK. We're going to be sending it your details to someone in UK. It's all lie. They are opening it right, in fact, inside their parlor, inside their room. And I'm here as your baby girl for life to teach you how to do it on the low. So you don't need to waste that money. So just come closer, listen attentively, so you can run it. Okay, so all right, let's go into it. The first thing you have to do is to create a new email. You don't need to use an existing email, and that email address should be connected to any number you have used on a TikTok account. Yeah. So your email address, don't use any email that has been connected to TikTok account before. Yeah. So go to your Gmail or whichever platform you use, create a new one, and don't add your Nigerian number yet. Yes, that's very important. Once that's ready, leave the tab open, then we move to the second step. Okay, so guys, the second thing to do is to download or clear your old TikTok account. Yes, I know you have a TikTok account on your phone already, so let's make sure TikTok sees this as a clean start. So if you already have this app, clear it, like clear the data or uninstall it completely, so that you'll be downloading a fresh one. Yeah, so just go to your Play Store or your App Store and get the TikTok downloaded again. So now we are trying to make TikTok think you're signing up for a very first time. You understand? So everything will be on a clean note. Sense. Okay, now step 3 is to register your account. Now open TikTok and click sign up. Choose the sign up with email, not with phone number. This is where the trick comes in. When it asks you for your region, look down. You'll see where it asks you for your region or your country. Yeah, just select United Kingdom. That's the key step to tell TikTok to register your account under the UK. You understand? So I'm going to be placing that on the screen here, how to do that. Yes, so you will see when you scroll down, you will see where it says click on select region. You understand? Then you select your region. So now you're going to fill in your birthday, your username, and password as usual. Normal TikTok creation procedure. Then you complete the sign up and wait for it to load. Then step 4, we're going to confirm your setup. Now it has finished loading. Once you're inside your TikTok, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines at the top right. Yeah, go to setting and privacy. Then tap account information. You understand? So if it shows you United Kingdom, you did it. You're good to go. You've successfully opened a UK TikTok account right here in Nigeria without even needing any VPN. Good, right? Now until you for pay 10K, make they open for you. I don't give you am for free, but you no go see rate me. Anyway, step 5. We're going to train that your account. Yes, we are going to tell TikTok that this account is a UK account, that it is not a Nigeria account. Now, this is the part that is very, very important. So TikTok decides who see your content based on what you watch and post. Yeah. So for the next few days, focus only on UK content. Follow UK creators, like UK videos, and use their hashtags. Like when you want to make your post, you understand? Use their hashtag and what's trending in the UK. You understand? Things like hashtag London TikTok or hashtag UK creators and many more. You understand? So that's how you train your TikTok algorithm to recognize your account as part of the UK space. You get that? So the thing is that if you start watching mostly Nigeria content, TikTok will slowly push your account back towards the Nigeria region. So be intentional with what you interact with. Yes. Okay, so I have an extra tip for you. Don't add your Nigerian phone number for now. Yes, keep it email only, and your location. Yeah, so that it doesn't switch your location, so that it doesn't switch you back to Nigeria. So now you want to monetize later, or you want to join the TikTok creator program. Having your account under the UK region can give you better access and payouts. You get that? And finally, don't switch between multiple TikTok accounts too often. It can confuse the system. I know you already have a Nigerian TikTok account and it's right there in your phone. Okay, now because you've created a UK TikTok account, you want to be switching to. Imagine switching from UK to TikTok in less than 30 minutes. You be winch, you fly. Leave your Nigerian UK TikTok account for now. Focus on building the UK one. Do not switch. Do not consistently switch your account. And one more thing, whatsoever picture you have used on your old TikTok account, which is the Nigerian TikTok account, do not use it for your new TikTok account. Do not do so. Okay, tell me thank you. You're welcome. I love you. And that's it guys. You've officially opened a UK TikTok account from Nigeria without any VPN. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, comment below. You can even ask me any question. If you would like me to show you how to change your existing TikTok account to the UK one, then comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.